Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to today's video. Happy Easter. May you have a lovely Pasaka holiday. So I want to have my breakfast. I'm having bread, just buttered bread and jam. Yeah, and I'm supposed to get ready and head to town for my nail appointment. I was supposed to leave the house by 11 and right now it's 11. I'm always late these days, so I want to go and get my nails done. My nails are the ghetto right now. This is how they look. Some parts have chipped off, so I want to have my breakfast, then get ready and leave for town. So I'll see you guys definitely when I'm leaving. Yeah, so if it's your first time here, my name is Amolo. I do food and lifestyle content. And if this is what you love watching, don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. My face is really swollen and my voice is hoarse. Yeah, so guys, let me just see you when I'm heading out to town because I'm taking you definitely with me. So yeah, let me have my breakfast, get ready, then I'll see you guys later.
Oh, I got lost on the way to you in an orange sky by the ocean blue. Every mile lost, my soul renewed, taken by the sunrise and the golden view. Walking slowly in the mountains underneath the constellations. Yeah, I know that you've been waiting for me. Time is losing all its meaning, like I'm living in a dream, and I've been chasing all the...
Guys, I'm back home. Actually, I did not film when I was getting my nails done. When I got there, the place was really packed, so I did not film, but this is how my nails turned out. This is how they look. Yeah, but I'm not satisfied with this gold thingy. Yeah, I'm not satisfied with it because look at this. Yeah, but they really turned out well, except for the decoration on top. Yeah, but this is how my nails really look. So I left home when I had not eaten. Actually, I do have that tendency of when I'm going out, I do not have something. So I really want to have my lunch because I did cook something before I leave. So I want to have my lunch and then I'll talk to you guys later. Maybe when I'm catching up on an episode or a TV series, The Real Housewife of Nairobi. Yes, a new episode went up yesterday, so I want to catch up on that. Until then, let me go have my lunch. But I really love my nails. Yeah, that's how they look. I'll be talking with my hands. You all know a lot. I usually talk with my hands. So let me go have my lunch. These are all the videos that went up today. Oh my god, I know I have to catch up on all of them, but I'm watching this. I'm going to watch this.
I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine. Yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions. Your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only one way to describe it. It's electric, can you feel it? You got the only touch that takes me high. It's electric, I'm up in my feelings. Got double vision 'cause of you tonight.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And so yeah, today I went to Kamukunji and I got a few stuff. So I want to do the haul with you guys, the things that I got. Some of them I'm not going to unbox because of the way they are tied, but I know you'll get the picture of them. So the first item I got is this cooking pot. That's how they look. I'm not going to unbox them, and if I do, I will just insert a picture or a video of it over here. I got this. It's a Bosch cooking granite cookware, 10 pieces. So I got this cookware. Actually, most of the items I got from Amsterdam. This store, I was plugged by Naomi Kiki and Sharon Jacobs. They mostly go to Amsterdam to get their cookware or shop for the utensils. So that's where I went because I was plugged by them. Yeah, you can also check their videos. They have the videos of the Kamukunji haul and the prices of items from their channel. I will leave a link to their channel in my description box because they have a detailed video of the items in that shop. So the first item I got was that. The next item I got was this silicone spoon. I got two. I got two. One is mine, one is for my mom. So let me just open this one because it's already open. This is how they look. There are 12 pieces. So this is how they look. There is this, the tongs, then the spatula. This one, I know this one is using when you're for the spaghetti, the whisk, the brush for oiling the pan. So they are all 10 pieces, 10 or 12 pieces. Yeah. Then the next item I got is this for the kitchen towel. And let me get the other ones. These ones we were gifted. They gave us this from the shop because of what we bought from them, which is very thoughtful for their customer service. I love the cups. They look pretty. That's how they look. They're very, very pretty. Yeah. And then I got this storage basket. And this one also is for my mom, for the fridge, for storing vegetables, the Ziploc bags. And then I got this oil dispenser. I got it in white because I did want it to match with my cooking pots. The cooking pots are black in color. And then this one is in white. That's how it looks. That's how it looks. Most of them I'm just going to return them to their boxes because I'm going to store them until I move out is when I'll be able to unbox them their respective places. But for now I'm just really shopping for the stuffs as I wait to move out. Actually I got this tip from Naomi Kiki. I guess in her video, one of the video when she was talking about before you plan to move out, you can like get some stuff pole before you move out. It does save on cost. Then the next item was this. pan. This one is not mine, it's for my mother, because my cookware, it's coming with a pan. Actually, it's also 28 centimeters, so she got this too. We went with my, if you're hearing why I'm saying she got this, is because we tagged along with her to Kamukunji. Huwezi tembea peke yako Kamukunji, you have to go with someone. Yeah, so I went with my mom. So those are the things that we got from Kamukunji. And then we passed by Stage Market and we got these two hats. Yeah, so this is a white one and this is a pink one, and this one, let me wear this one. That's how it looks for this sunny weather, and also when you're going to the beach, just a vacation prep. Yeah, and this other one, and this other one, this is how it looks. Hata iko sawa, nitengeneze. This is how it looks. For the beach, you just need to go to the beach and take cute pictures with this hat, and also when you're going for picnics. I bought the white one and the pink one. The other one is not mine, it's for my mother. Yeah, so this is how it looks. So pretty much those are the things we got from Kamukunji and Stage Market. So I'll see you guys when I'm done. I want to change it and maybe do a little of skincare, because I've been postponing a lot on doing my skincare. Yeah, and actually I was supposed to go get my hair done, and I failed to. I've been just postponing since Saturday, postponing to get my hair done, and I need to, because I'm already tired of combing this. So I'll do that maybe on Wednesday or Thursday. Yeah, so those are the things that we got. Let me just go pack this, unpack that needs to be unpacked, and pack what needs to be packed. So I'll see you guys later.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear
guys. Hey guys, it's been a minute, and yeah, so I just received a call from my rider. I have a parcel that I need to pick. It's from Oraimo. I did order a power bank, so I'm waiting for the rider to arrive so that I can go and pick it. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks, what I got, because I can't wait to have it, because Nairobi electricity has been showing us fire. And it's the main apotea and you don't know when it will come back. So I had to get myself a power bank kujiami so that I can able to have power charge on my phone whenever there is no electricity. So I'll see you guys when I get it, and I will unbox it with you.
I got you and your vibes in my mind.
So the package just arrived. Here it is. I just picked it, so I will unbox it later when I get home. So right now I'm just at work, so let me get back to what I was doing, then I'll see you guys when we are unboxing this. Hey guys, so I just got back home. I want to unbox this with you guys. Yeah, I've not found scissors, so I'm just going to unbox it the way I know how. Yeah, let me set you guys properly. I got two. This is how they look. One is mine, one is for my mom again. Yeah, so this is how they look. I will unbox one that is mine.
Got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
The seal is still on. It's not that much heavier, but pocket friendly. Let me check and it has a charge of 84. It shows over here. Finally, at least there will be no struggle when the power goes off. So that's it. I was having cake. Yeah, so I want to continue having that. I want to end this vlog here. Yeah, so I have to end this vlog here. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So I'll see you guys in my next video. I did want to do a skincare in this video, but I thought this video is too long. Actually, this is the first video I've done the longest. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Hope you enjoyed this one. So bye.
Started as a whisper, message from a new world I'd never known. Something about it felt like it'd been waiting my whole life. Is this home? I can hear each sound calling my name, and I feel angels around when I start to say.
Hey guys, so this is how the shoe rack looks with the shoes on it. Yeah. So actually right now is when I'm realizing I have a few shoes. Where a shoe rack will make you realize you have few shoes. Yeah, so that's how it looks with the shoes. My latest purchase so far.
Feelings, it's like